Hello my friends, this is Winston Jail. Yes, Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, today I'm going to do a very small recipe, but very important to me. This is, yes, my creation for my dinner here today. Yes, I'm going to do something very uniquely different than what I normally do. I'm going to bake some potatoes, yes, and I'm going to have some butterfly shrimps, yes. Baked potatoes and butterfly shrimps along with some fried bacons, yes, some fried bacons with tomatoes, scallion, and I'm going to make a Gouda sour cream sauce, yes, to pour onto the baked potatoes and with the bacon toppings, yes, and my butterfly shrimps. So this is what I will be having for my dinner here today. Yes, on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. Butterfly shrimps with baked potatoes, and top it off with some nicely fried bacons with tomatoes and scallion, yes, and a creamy Gouda sour cream cheese sauce, yes, with garlic and scallion and hot pepper and black pepper. All that will be in this dish that I'll be creating today for myself on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright my friends, so I'm gonna put the potatoes now into the oven, yes, and get the process going. Alright, you're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Bacon will be going in the oven. Yes, it will be going in the oven, and the oven will do the frying or the cooking for me. All the oil from the bacon will be absorbed into the container. Then I will cut it up later, and it will be the topping that will be going onto the baked potatoes. Alright, I'll leave the rest because it's too many bacon too. So yes, this is a low sodium because of my health. This is a low sodium, as you can see the label. Low sodium, lower sodium bacon, which means it has less salt. And so I'll be using this to cut it up in small pieces, then fry it down with the tomatoes, garlic, and scallion. And I'm going to add some onion as well. You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. side of the bacon. Yes, saute that with the tomatoes. Yes. Alright, so my butterfly shrimps will be going. They're going into the oven. Those are my butterfly shrimps. You're watching Winston channel cooking and Discover TV. This board will be to cut up the bacons on it. Once the bacon is done in the oven, yes, I'm gonna bake the bacon so they can come out crispy and nice. And I'm gonna cut them up here. Alright, these are my potatoes. Bacon. Alright, so I'm going to add the bacon into the oven. Okay, potatoes getting tender, and the bacon is okay. That's good. You're watching the Winston Gel cooking and Discover TV. Open sesame. Alright, I'm gonna put shrimps in. Yes, those are the shrimps. Alright. You're watching Winston Gel cooking and Discover TV. Alright, I'm shredding the cheese that I'm gonna use to make the creamy sauce. Yes. Cheese for me. Alright, cut these up and put them in the hot, very hot, very hot. It's very hot. Oh. Yes, these are in the oven and not cool as yet. Very hot. Yes, I'm gonna fry them up with some tomatoes and some onion and scallion and garlic. Yeah, all of that. And that will be the topping for my baked potatoes. Yeah. Yes, you're watching the Winston Gel cooking. Discover TV and burn on my fingers. They're super hot. Whew. Baby. bacon, I just took it out of the oven. As you can see, the paper towel absorbed 95% of the grease from the bacon. This is a low sodium bacon. Yes, because of my pressure. Yes, I have to manage my pressure. So basically, there's hardly any juice in here. So I will get some from the bacon. Alright, because I'm going to season this up with some tomatoes, some garlic, some scallion, and some onions. Alright, and then I'm going to make the sauce over here. Alright, I'm going to make the sauce for, yes, for the shrimps and the baked potatoes. Alright, make it creamy, yes, creamy Gouda cheese with sour cream sauce. Alright, put some butter. This is where I'm making the sauce. Skipping in. Cook a little bit more. Some sour cream. Just lemon sauce. Okay, just gonna add some black pepper in here. Some black pepper. Add my cheese. Okay, so this is my sauce. Yes, creamy cheese, sour cream, and cheese sauce. This will go on top of the baked potatoes for the bacon. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV. Alright, I'm going to add some salt in there. Alright, bacon is ready. Garlic. I'm going to come with the onions. And tomatoes. Alright, I'm going to add some zing, some spice. Yes, I'm going to add some spice, yes. This is Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, very hot. So this will give some zing. topping that is going on the baked potato, and over there is the cheese. Yes, quarter cheese and sour cream. That would be the dressing. You're watching the Winston show. The shrimps there, a bit crispy. They dried out a little bit too much. A little bit too much to dry it out. This is cheese and sour cream sauce. Crunchy, yes, crunchy shrimps. Yes, crunchy shrimps. And bacon. Alright, overflow. Alright, so there you go. Alright, my friends, so this is the end of this journey here on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, so we have some baked potatoes here with, yes, sauteed bacon with onions, tomato, garlic, scallion, yes, and some, oven baked shrimps, butterfly shrimps. Alright, this is the first time trying this. The shrimps came out a little bit dry, a little bit crunchier than what I wanted, but nonetheless, they will taste very good. Alright, so, so this is what I've created here today on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Thanks for viewing. Please like and share. Please comment down below. Butterfly shrimp with baked potatoes, yes, and some sour cream, Gouda cheese sauce. Thank you.